wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best window insulation kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. If you'd rather eliminate some of the scissor work, Frost King provides 9 pre-cut transparent sheets designed to seal out drafts and dust. It comes with double-faced adhesive for use on metal, painted or varnished wood or vinyl frames. It comes with more square feet than alternatives and is wrinkle-free when blow-dried. However, the tape could be stronger. At number 5, designed to form a smooth, strong coating, MD Building Shrink and Seal creates dead air space between the transparent film and the glass for up to 90% insulation. It covers 5 standard size windows and applies best when temperatures are above 40 degrees. It includes a money-back guarantee and retains heat effectively, but the instructions are somewhat confusing. Coming in at number 4 on our list. If you're in need of a heavy-duty solution, Duck Max provides film that's twice as thick as most alternatives and is easy to install with the tape provided. When you've done the required prep work, this option can lighten your utility bills in both cold and hot seasons. It's extremely energy efficient and puncture resistant. However, the tape is a bit flimsy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for window insulation kits, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. Frost King Thermwell is an 84-inch by 25-foot plastic sheet designed to cover doors or 3 large windows. The double-sided tape needed for installation is not included, but the upside of this is you can choose any adhesive brand. It shrinks tightly and cuts easily with sharp scissors, but crimped lines may show. At number 2, Duck brand is designed to reduce your power bill and make your home more energy efficient. The crystal clear plastic film and mounting tape will insulate up to 5 3x5-foot windows, and it can warm up a room by 5 degrees or more during cold winters. This one resists punctures and creates an airtight seal, and it keeps out heat in hot climates. And taking the top spot on our list, like an extra pane of glass but cheaper, 3M5 window applies easily, shrinks tightly, and provides a transparent layer. It comes with enough film for 5 standard size windows, and it also includes 2 rolls of double-sided mounting adhesive that uses Scotch tape technology. This one's Energy Star compliant and simple and quick to install. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for window insulation kits, or simply click beneath this video.